Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Well, don't look so shocked. I know, it's been like forever since I've put out a personal video. There's lots of things going on here, but you know what? I'm not gonna make some kind of excuse like I've been super busy, because I kind of have, but I've also suffered from a lack of motivation. Maybe it's burnout, I don't know. I can't really say it's that either, because I've been doing a whole bunch of other videos, but on another channel. I think you're gonna enjoy it because it just is a really cool build series. It's what I have really been delving into and doing a lot of work with, and it's just a lot of fun, and it's a cool product. So without further gilding the lily or any more ado, good morning everyone. Hey, we're on another awesome build.
Got a new box for the F-350. Slide in.
Right on. We are so excited. This is going to be one of the largest slide-ins for the lightweight overland pickup series. It is going to be awesome. It's going to come together in one day, and you can do it too. Okay, all right, we've done a couple videos or a couple builds, but maybe 2 days or a weekend, right?
2 days with the door and the camper jacks and some other accessories that goes with it, but more or less chill in a day.
Awesome. Let's get busy.
As in all our Globetrekker builds, it starts from the ground up. But before you start, ensure that you have a real good understanding of how a Globetrekker camper is built by watching all of the provided videos, that you thoroughly understand the engineering prints by taking an inventory of all the parts and pieces, you know how the extrusions are oriented, and you have read Globetrekker's terms and conditions, which can be downloaded from our website at www.rvglobetrekker.com. Also ensure you have adequate build materials, assembly aids, and cleaning supplies before you begin. Start with prepping the floor by dry fitting each extrusion. The prepping process for adhesive application is nearly the same every single time. Clean the extrusions with lint-free alcohol wipes, especially the glue channels. Remove the plastic panel protection film from the panel edges you are preparing to glue into an extrusion channel. Lightly scuff the outside edges of the fully composite, organics-free, structurally insulated panels where the extrusions and adhesives will be affixed. Use compressed air to blow any dust or debris off of the panels, paying particular attention to the edges. Then use lint-free alcohol wipes to clean the panel edges. Now that the prepping steps are completed, run 4 beads of Sikaflex into the Globetrekker Pioneered glue pockets that the floor panel will attach to. The bead should be at least 1/4 inch in size. One 10-ounce tube should complete 4 16-foot beads. It is better to add more than to not have enough. When gluing the extrusions, pay particular attention to the corners where the 2 extrusions come together. Ensure to thoroughly glue these areas. A little gap in the extrusion that is filled with adhesives is better than no gap at all. To hold the floor extrusions into place while the adhesives set up, and so you can continue the build, run a ratchet strap around the outer edge. Ensure that you clean the Sikaflex that oozes out as you go. This will save you a lot of cleanup time later once the build is completed. Also remember that it is better to have the extrusions on square than to fully seat the panel into the extrusion.
Pro tip, Amazon, $30 heater. And good news is, be careful, it gets really hot, like scalding hot. but it makes the Sikaflex come out like butter in cold weather. Pro tip.
Almost like melted butter, isn't it?
Butter, melted butter.
Hey, check this out. Bill saved the scrap panel, our very first one that we ever cut out. He saved it. Let's gonna use it as a template.
Yeah.
Waste not, want not. Here's a few of the other templates. Squirreled away. On behalf of David Romero, which he is awesome, he gave us these really awesome plaques. And Bill, this is yours. I have mine at home.
Thank you.
And I also want to impress upon everyone, these are challenge coins, okay? And Bill, this is your first challenge.
My first.
My first, and you get a triple! A triple for your first challenge
Oh,
coin.
that's great.
So it's super
Setting the bar
awesome.
high.
So on behalf of David Romero, I'm shaking your
Yeah.
hand and presenting you
Oh,
the challenge coin.
Miss Romero, thank you very much. This is a treat and an honor for me. All I can say.
Thank you.
Thank you.
just be watching what's going on with your extrusions. When you pull on one, it could move another. So watch your seams, watch your gaps. Always keep the tape measure handy so that you can ensure everything is going to be good to go.
March is looking good. We're coming up on a normal. Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing. Retro, go, I know, go, right, go, control, go, Falcon, go, GMC, go, Egon, contact, go, that's onward, go for landing. Eagle, Houston, you're go for landing, over.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you really like this video and I've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And if you want to like, it's free. Doesn't cost you anything, doesn't cost you a dime. So I would really appreciate it if you did that too. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. And lastly, you guys be safe out there, and God bless.